Hi, I wasn't happy making videos. And then I accidentally made YouTube easier by doing things backwards. I'm old newbie, and it just, I was always overthinking. It was so hard to start to make a video every time I made one. And I had some sort of a brain resistance against starting to make videos. And then all of a sudden, I had, I started with, basically, I started with thumbnails, like this one. Mainly because I enjoy thumbnails. Suddenly, things just felt easier, and momentum kicked in, and I was happy. Yay! I get to play with these thumbnails. I love thumbnails. In a nutshell, that is why I started using thumbnails first. Like starting to make the thumbnail, I can make I discovered how to make thumbnails, and I just enjoyed it. So I accidentally started making the thumbnail first for a couple of my last videos. And as a matter of fact, I'm doing this one. I did the thumbnail first, as you saw. And yeah, it's incredible how when you do what you enjoy, everything comes easy. So basically, I developed a system, after I discovered that. I make the thumbnail first, and here's the, I'll put it up on the screen, the sequence. There's five steps that, and then my video is done, basically. And those 5 steps are, you start with an idea, a rough idea what's going on. You don't even have to know exactly what you're going to say in the video, You start with an idea and you make the thumbnail. If you got an idea, it's quite easy to make a thumbnail. Like this one here, this video or this thumbnail I made for this video, basically it makes YouTube easy, So that's what I went with on the thumbnail, and I had that done within, I don't know, 10 minutes, I guess it took. I'm still a newbie, but I really have no problem making a thumbnail. So, so you make the thumbnail first. I gotta read my cue card here because I want to get it right. Eh? Thumbnail made first, then comes the hook, and after that we do the bullet points. We make the video, film it, then a little bit of light editing because there's not going to be a heck of a lot of editing, and that's it. It's done. Incredible. So try this method out and see how it works for you, and drop me a comment, and I'll try to help you if you need it, or if there's enough of you saying similar things, I'll make a video about that. Let's learn together. That's what this whole channel of mine, Old Newbie MI, is all about. So that let's learn together. I certainly am not a know-it-all. I don't know enough, but But it's going faster this time around. I'm not into cartoons right now. I'm into this vlog business, and I'm actually starting to enjoy it. Because now I can make videos twice as fast as I used to, and I'm going to get nothing but faster. So, yeah, drop me a comment to see what you think. I'm going to see, and that will help me decide what kind of video the next one's going to be. I haven't decided yet. Okay, I upload one every week, at least one every week, every Wednesday. So, yeah. Adios, amigos. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.